Hello my YouTube family, welcome back again in my channel. As you can see, I have a Redmi Redmi mobile Xiaomi, and this problem is that Fastboot problem. Okay, no need to worry about this. I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve this problem just within a second, just a simple way trick. As you can see, this one is your power key, volume down and up. Just do one thing, press your power key and the volume down key together, okay? Like this. Leave it, okay? Then keep aside. This one is the best trick, guys. Just follow this step. Thank you for visiting.